So what exactly is Bob Marley syndrome? Why does it happen? And how important is it to your Korean pronunciation? Let's ask Sunny to find out.
This is what I mean by Bob Marley syndrome. This is how Koreans spell Bob Marley in Hangul, the Korean alphabet system. As you see, the first syllable bop ends with the bottom consonant pup, which is almost equivalent to the B or P sound in English. When the bottom consonant B or P sound is followed by the next syllable mium, which is the M sound, the B or P sound is changed to the clear M sound, That's why Bob Marley should be pronounced as Bob Marley. In the intro video you just watched, the reason why Minjun pronounced Bob Marley as Bam Marley is because Minjun, as a native Korean, unconsciously applied his Korean pronunciation habit to his English pronunciation of Bob Marley.
Thanks, Sunny. This explains why some Korean people often say certain English words differently. They have a tendency to pronounce webmaster as webmaster, pop music as pom music, top model as tom model, and so on. Linguistically speaking, Bob Marley syndrome is an example of what we call nasalization in Korean. Simply, nasalization is when a stop sound like pyu changes to the clear M sound, because of the influence of the next initial nasal consonant, such as mium or niun. Let's take a look at another example of nasalization in Korean. First, check this out. This is comedian Bob Nelson, but Koreans would probably pronounce his name as Bom Nelson. Why? Because the Bob Marley syndrome also applies to the nasal sound niun, which is equivalent to the N sound in English. That's why Bob Nelson becomes Bom Nelson. Following this pattern, Koreans have a tendency to say job news as jom news, cup noodles as cum noodles, nap nanny as nam nanny, and so on. Now this is the lesson I would like to teach today. Like Koreans should follow the English way for pronouncing English words, Americans should follow the Korean way for Korean words.